What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Like the one that I said before, I'm on vacation. I am on vacation, so I'm trying to knock out as much videos as I can. Something's going on with my YouTube. Something's weird. I uploaded a video last night. It's like at 2 a.m. It was me and Adrian in the skyline taking some pictures, and apparently that video only has like 68 views, and the one the day before got like 431. I don't know, something's going on with my YouTube. Either like the notifications are not reaching the people or whatnot, but anyways, we're still knocking videos out. It's all about the grind, and you know, the results will show later. Anyways, so I'm here with Andy. Got the man putting gas over there in the RX-7. I'm gonna get down. It's hot in here. You guys seen plenty of videos of this car when we did the review, but you didn't have the wing in the last review, right?
I had the stock wing.
The stock wing, right? So this is what, the Mazda speed wing?
Mazda speed.
Got a little lip on it, huh?
Yeah. Massive.
Yeah, it is. But it doesn't, what you were saying at home, it doesn't look too much different than,
no, it
than
almost
the
looks
OEM
very
one.
similar, yeah.
It even has the same
Little side, yeah.
little caps on it. Yeah, man. Looks good, huh? Looks
like
clean.
It looks like a car like...
You know what I like about it? That it has no tint whatsoever.
Stuck in the garage from 1990.
I know, like 1997. And it has no tint whatsoever.
Yeah, but that's what makes it look good.
Yeah. So we're actually on the way to a brewery to have some beer, so I'll catch you guys now. We made it to our favorite spot. Well, not our favorite spot, but my favorite spot. MIA. Let's fucking close the window. Just waiting for Andy to come. Hey, should we tell the viewers what you're getting on?
No.
Not yet? Well, because we're gonna have an install video on it.
Viewers like I'm someone important.
Yeah. Well, because we'll have an install video. Hopefully we could match up the times and do it. Juan's getting his too, by the way.
The same one?
Monday.
The same exact one?
No, he's getting a something else. But for the Honda, you know, community, whatever. But his is shipping out Monday. Well, I mean, it gets here Monday. You know, it gets here Monday. But I got so I want to show you guys something that some people have asked me, like, what the hell is it? Like, I posted a picture, and some guy's like, why would somebody go and do that to your house? I'm like,
smells so good right now.
It smells good right now, of course. So I got the wheel lock. So one of the subscribers was like, oh, why would they come put a wheel lock out of your house? You didn't pay the tickets. I'm like, no, man, I bought that. Yeah, check it out. Well, you haven't seen it. Yeah, hold it. Well, I'll just put it.
Unknown caller.
That's probably what he calls. No, it's a scam, likely.
It's a scam, likely.
Collector, guys. I need money to pay the bills. Well, okay, so I'll show you real quick. Yeah, this is the paint. So there's two actually in there. They're fairly 20 bucks. So this one just looks like this, but it doesn't cover the lug nuts. This one covers the lug nuts, and obviously you have two more.
But let me ask you, how does it not damage your wheel? Like, I mean,
oh no, if they try to tow it.
No. Well, if they try to tow it, it's gonna destroy your car. But
Yeah,
at least you saved your car. But I mean, how does the lock not damage your wheel? Obviously, you have a chunky tire, but how about somebody with the low profile? You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah,
that they have a stretch or something.
That's true. Well,
So maybe something to consider if you're gonna buy something like this.
Well, if it's a stress, then you probably are gonna scratch the wheel. But you know,
You gotta straighten your wheel a little, no?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see. What's going on? Oh, never mind.
No, it's on. Yeah, I was straighten my car. I mean, I don't got power steering. Well, let me see. Let me see if I can properly. So
Hey,
basically, you have to put it in without
Let me see if I can get you some lighting.
Yeah. Well, the GoPro's not good with nighttime lighting or whatever.
Oh, that's much better.
Yeah. Well, so basically, you have to put in the yellow one first, because it has to open up in here in order for this to go in. So you kind of put it here, and then you just kind of start sliding up, and as this goes in, you start pushing this one in, and then this is kind of what you get. And then once you have it in there tight, you lock it in, and that's it.
Nice.
I mean, it'll be there like a little bit loose, but that's not.
Yeah, but it's enough for.
And then this, and then if you look here, and then that sits against the ground. So I mean, if you try to tow it, that's gonna destroy it, you know. Yeah, damn, it's almost like. But anyways, look. So why you want to put it in the front? So obviously, if you put it backwards, they could tow your car by the back. This is a front-wheel drive car, so you put it this way, they can't tow it. You get me? That's how it makes. Whatever. I guess it's just the way to do it. But if you do it to the back, then it doesn't really make any sense. You know. Need a little toolbox.
Dude, this little flashlight actually works.
Oh hell yeah, it makes a difference.
Yeah, no, huge.
Beautiful car. Yeah, man. Just to pass. We don't want to get none of those fruits in the trees to fall on the car. Okay, just like warning him. And I'm so happy the Civic is done and is painted. I now got to start working on it and doing more stuff to it. But that rotary. You hear the pump on the exhaust? You going? Yeah, you're good. You're good. It fairly picks up good lighting anyways. Ew. What up, man?
Yeah, I was like, I'm kind of in the danger zone, but I was like, kind of in the danger zone, but I don't think
Super
any
hungry,
fall.
bro.
What's up, buddy?
What up?
Bro, we were
Nothing, we got
smelling
no
meat.
I'm gonna park over there somewhere.
We were
That's
smelling.
the way that's open. I've never
Yeah,
seen
that's
it.
that meat store.
Weird.
That's that meat store over there.
If that car would have left or parked somewhere else, all three of us could have parked right there.
I think we're good here, though.
Unless you want to fucking like split it up, but you know what I mean.
Nah, we're here.
I feel like jumping and Luke Hang kicking that water bottle.
Oh, over there.
I don't know why.
Bro, check this out. Hold the camera. So they were doing the Area 51.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, the people running?
bro, you didn't see it?
Yeah.
So the car was like this, and some guy ran up to the car like this, like Naruto.
I wish that guy would have
And
gotten
the guy's
shot.
like, you know you're not coming in.
Yeah, of course
And he
not.
got up and he was like, all right.
Yeah. You know you could get shot and die.
You seen that, Adrian, right? Like the people doing the raid at the Area 51?
But people actually went out there, right?
Yes. People like camping and stuff
Nah,
like
nah,
that.
but there's no one gonna.
And nothing's gonna happen there. It's just like a little trend order. You saw that?
That's food.
No one's gonna get even close to that place.
Holy shit.
What do you think of it?
Ooh, that person.
Where do you put it in the trunk?
Yeah. What do you think of it? I mean, it'll move, but it moves. But the good thing about that one,
So just in case.
but the good thing about that one is
Oh, never mind.
the biggest thing you haven't noticed is that it actually covers the lug nut, so you can't take out the wheel.
Bro, take out the wheel. That car's going nowhere. You would have to get it with a forklift.
Yeah,
You have
exactly,
to bring a forklift on the tow truck.
exactly.
Oh, God.
Oh damn.
Holy shit.
Anyways, we'll catch you guys now. We're gonna go grab a beer.